visible.
Yes, correct, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fit and fiddle. How about
How?
you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing good too. How is your morning shaping up? How are you doing so far?
Yes, ma'am. Now this time also I'm very busy. It's not my time, not free time. Now this time I'm very busy. But I attend your message that you accept my request. So yes, now this time I'm okay.
Okay, okay. Yes, please introduce yourself.
Yes, so firstly, I tell you that thank you so much that you accept my request. So thank you so much, ma'am. I very wait for you that when I talk to you.
I'm sorry
Really,
about that. Yeah.
yeah, I understand that you're very famous and very busy person.
Oh.
So I understand, ma'am. Yes.
Don't call me famous. I'm not that famous. I've just started out.
And I'm your fan because your pronunciation, your teaching style. So yeah, really very impressed to me, and you are inspired to me.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Go.
Yes, so can I introduce myself?
Yes, please.
Yes, so my name is Geeta Rajput. I live in Chhattisgarh. If I talk about my qualification, so I have completed my post graduation and computer diploma also. I'm a mother
Okay.
of two children,
Okay.
and yes, I'm homemaker. And yes, recently I created my YouTube channel. My channel name is Crazy for English and Motivate. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes. Because when anybody message to me, so I tell that I am free 1:30 to 3 in the afternoon, ma'am. But yes,
Oh.
you know, sometime when I talk to famous person and very advanced level teacher, so I message then I'm not decided my time. They are decided their time. So yes, I face some problem.
Yes, yes, yeah. Because today is Saturday, my children will be back from school very soon today,
Yes,
12:30.
yes,
Yeah. So
yes,
after 12:30, I'm not doing any sessions. That's why I
yes.
asked you to join me at 11.
Yes. Now this time I'm cooking and I talk to you. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, we
So
homemakers have to do
I turn,
everything, right? We
just
have to be
now
adaptable.
I turn off gas. Then after I talk to you.
Yes, yes. But what time do your children come back from school today?
12 o'clock in
12
Saturday. Yeah.
Saturday. So you're preparing lunch for them.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
So when they come back from school, immediately they start their lunch. What time do they have their lunch?
No, it's not fixed time because my child are very naughty person. They anytime eating, anytime playing. They are not decided. They're not a particular time that yes, this time I lunch, this time I dinner. No, no, no.
Yeah, yeah, that's fair enough. And
Yes, ma'am,
please,
yes.
you speak,
I
you speak.
also, ma'am, I'm also a foodie type person. So I also every time eating. Yes, everything.
Okay, okay. And your children, both are boys, girls?
Yes, ma'am. Both are boys. My elder is a 13-year and younger is a 11-year-old.
Oh, wow, they're almost teenagers, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is
So
it
due to
difficult
this,
to
I
handle
told
them?
you that they are very naughty person.
Hmm. Is it
Yes.
difficult to handle them?
It's a typical task for me, but I can handle it.
Uh-huh. I think you have a lot of energy, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Because it's
Because
not easy to raise
yeah,
boys.
yes, yes, yes. They're not follow my advice. They tell me that you tell me that every time doing this work. Why, mama? So due to this, yes,
So do you also teach them with
yes,
their homework? Do you help them?
yes, yes, yes. I teach them. Yeah, and I
What other
like
hobbies do you
that.
have?
I like that if I teach anybody, not only my children's. Now this
Oh,
time I told you that I start my YouTube channel, so I connect different pupils, so beginners. So yes, I like so much.
oh, okay. So do you also give English classes to learners?
Yes, yes. Only I attend a 3 session in Skype. So somebody is less than for me, and somebody advanced for me. So which person is less than? So I motivate to this person.
Right, right. Yes.
Yes.
According to your level of English, you motivate the opposite
Yes.
person.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Mhm. Right.
yes.
Do you have any hobbies? What
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
do?
I have a lot of hobbies, but now this time, before 1 month and 2 months ago, only and only my hobbies is listening, language listening, that
Ah.
reading, writing, because I'm very crazy. Now this time I'm very crazy for English.
That is what is your YouTube channel name, right? Crazy for
Yeah,
English.
yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am, yes. That anybody watch my channel name, so that definitely know that yes, this woman also crazy for English.
Why are you crazy for English?
Because every person's a hobby and every person's aim and goal decided, okay, and I also decided that I should do something different to my family members. So due to this I start my English channel, because I live in Chhattisgarh and I live in a village, and at my family members is not interested and not understand anything, so I decided that it's a different types of work, so I start.
So first you want to learn and then you want to teach your children also.
Yes, yes, yes. Both things. Yes, I also because I have completed my post graduation, so I understand everything. So I teach my childrens. Yeah.
So did you work after your post graduation? Did you go to any work?
No, after post graduation, I had married, so I live in come back village, so stop my work. It's normal things. But now I start my work, and I'm very happy. I'm very satisfied that I'm doing something different. So
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes, yes. I can see that you're excited and you're liking what you're doing now.
My yes, yes, yes. But my life is not happy. But yes, I'm not so up in my face. Because why I show my face? Because all time, if anybody watch my videos, they don't judge that he's sad or not in his life, in her life. They are,
Mm.
yes, I escaped a lot of messages that ma'am, you are very happy person. So by the time I think that really.
Mhm. Yes, yes, because you're smiling and laughing all the time, right? So maybe people will look at you and say she's so happy in her life.
Yes, so, but ma'am, problem of face every person's. They have faced all time, yes. But
Yes, yes.
somebody show up and somebody not so, and I believe to that. If I saw that this is not right.
You don't want to show your sadness. You
Yeah,
just
yeah.
want to remain happy.
Yes, I can handle it. My sadness also.
But
Yes,
you don't want to tell people that you're sad. You like to
yes, yes.
show that you're happy.
Anybody not interested that you are sad and what is the reason? Everybody is interested that your happiness and your freedom and what you do. Anybody, I think it's my viewpoint, ma'am, that anybody not interested.
Yes, yes. Nobody is interested to hear to your complaints or your whatever feedbacks you have. Like if it is negative, they don't want to hear. If you're
Yeah, yes,
happy and talking nicely, only then people are interested.
yes, because yeah, everybody has. I told you that facing a lot of problems. Say, and then I tell that I have also problem. So
Mm. Mhm.
yes, but I'm I'm really very excited and very happy that I talk to you. Uh, yes, I really wait for you, ma'am. That when I speak. So now this time I
Yeah.
speak. I'm very happy.
Yes, yes, yes. I can see you like you're very happy and excited. Yeah. Is there any specific question that you wanted to ask me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Yeah, I face and I watch that a lot of women are very educated, very intelligent. They have a lot of knowledge, but
Yes.
at some reason they not practice and they not do any work. So
Right.
okay, that's family members and other matters. Okay. As for me,
You're
okay.
right. Mm.
Okay. So what can I do? What handle these girls and women, especially women, because girls are doing work every time and anywhere. But daughter-in-law, problem facing is daughter-in-law. So okay, ma'am, please explain me that it's a benefit for me and other women also.
Yes. So you want me to explain what a woman should do Why she is
Yeah.
not making use of her knowledge? See,
And
the women that
one
you,
minute, 1 minute. And second thing is that uh, she want left his family.
she
Then
want to leave.
no, not she want not मीन्स वो नहीं चाहती है फैमिली को नहीं छोड़ना चाहती है.
She doesn't want to leave her family.
Yes. And then after you explain me.
Okay, okay. She doesn't want to leave her family, but still she wants to do something for herself.
Yes. She is very excited. She is very energetic. She has a lot of knowledge, and she doesn't go to outside. She doesn't walk in home. Also, she
Oh,
doesn't. She doesn't use mobile. Doesn't use mobile phone. Then after what she do?
what she should do? You're asking me
Yeah.
what she should. Yeah, but I
Yes.
think, like, mobile is now accessible to everybody, right? Every person knows how to use a mobile. They have internet in their hands. So I think
Yes.
they can do. The woman that you're talking about was me. For 10 years, I did not do anything. I was at
Yes.
home. I have knowledge. I want to do a lot of things. My
Yes.
family is supportive, but still, I did not do anything all these years.
But if I tell that if family is not supported, then after,
See, it is your time to be happy, right? This is your life. You have to be happy. You
yeah,
have to fight, and eventually they will understand that you're so passionate about doing this, and they will definitely support you.
yes, but
But you have to
some girls,
prove yourself. You have to prove yourself that I'm capable of doing this and I'm doing this. You do and show them. Then they will definitely support you.
yes. But ma'am, sometimes what happened that our decision is good. Everybody like that our decision, but sometimes the family members is not understand.
Yes, they don't understand. Even like, especially in-laws, it is difficult to please your mother-in-law, right? So
Yeah,
how much ever good you do, how much ever achievement you get, they are not going to be happy with
yes,
it. They
yes,
want you to do household chores, they want you to take care of your husband, your children, and that's it. They don't want you to do anything else. So it's
yeah,
okay. It's not your job to keep everybody happy. You have to be happy first. You
yes,
forget about others. Yeah,
yes.
what
I
matters
also
to you,
read
your husband, your
by the time.
children. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
And this I connect you that I please motivate me that I also motivate, but yes, sometimes I face a lot of problems.
It's okay, no matter whatever you do, everybody will tell you something. Even husbands also, sometimes they will criticize, they will taunt you. But it's
Yeah,
okay. It's okay. It's their
yeah,
job, let them do. But I used to take all of this and I used to feel bad about it. But now it just comes and goes. It doesn't go inside my head. So
yeah.
you should basically like what you're doing and you should be happy for yourself, not for
Yes,
anybody else. Because if you are not happy, you can't keep others also happy.
yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you
And
so
because
much,
of
ma'am.
women and because of women, we get a lot of hormonal issues also if we are not happy. So it is
Yeah,
important, like if you're happy, your health will be nice. You will be able
yes.
to take care of your entire family. So we have to be happy first.
Yes. Because every person says like, and they are doing a lot of work, but sometimes a lot of women are facing this problem. So due to this, I ask this question.
Yes, especially rural areas, I think, because now
Yeah,
men are also improved little bit. They are okay, they are helping their wives and they are supporting them to encouraging
yes,
them. But there are a lot of homes where husbands also do not support all this. Yeah, but for
yes,
them, I'm saying that you have to prove yourself. Like,
yes,
you be happy, you do what makes you happy. Don't worry
yes, yes.
about others.
Yes, because if we are doing the different work, so we are face all this problem that I have no any ideas, YouTube, thumbnail, and all things is clear for myself, and I achieve a
Right.
lot of things, but they are not understand. So
Yeah, because women first half we have to listen to our parents. Then after our second part of your life, at least do something for yourself. Again, you don't have to bend like my husband won't allow me, all that. At least one time you have to live for yourself. Do something for
yes,
yourself.
yes. It's not my case. It's a lot of women's case. So due to this,
Yes. Maybe there are a
yes,
lot of women and they don't even speak about it. They don't tell
yes.
also that I have this problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. So I satisfied. So can you introduce? Can you share anything?
Uh,
So okay, you meet me. So how can you feel?
I'm feeling happy because you're so happy. You're spreading that happiness to me.
Yes, yes,
You're
yes.
smiling. This time I like complete all my household chores, and 11 o'clock I kind of feel a little bit sleepy.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, but I'm seeing your excitement and I'm feeling excited also. I'm feeling energetic as well.
yes. And I'm hardly very fresh, and because I talk to you, that's it. Yeah.
Yes, yes. No, but you're energetic and you're full of excitement, full of
Yes. Now,
life. That's
yes.
very
Now this
nice
time I'm
quality
not.
to have.
Yes, I am. I talk to you in my kitchen.
Yeah, I can see you're sitting in your kitchen. It's
Yes,
okay. Kitchen is like our home, right? All the time we are in a kitchen.
yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay
Can
then.
you ask any question?
Okay. You tell me, do you have any such achievement that you're really proud about? Anything
No,
have you achieved in your life that you're very proud about?
my achievement.
Yes, your achievement.
Yes. Yes, I tell you that my achievement is this platform. This is a Skype app, and I create my YouTube channel. Okay, now this time I not very much subscriber, but now this time I'm satisfied because which is my work, and I completely doing and perfect work. So now this time I'm very satisfied, very happy. It's my achievement because now this time I have completed 1 month in my YouTube
Okay.
channel, and
Okay.
I have 70 plus subscriber. So yes, fantastic. Yeah, I am
Yes.
happy. No any problem. Yes, and I told you that it's my fantastic work because I have started 10th and 12th month ago, a year ago. After
Mm-hmm.
marriage, I'm stop my all
Yeah.
work. Then after now this time, yes, recently, uh, um, 1 month ago. So yes,
Mm.
I'm very excited and very energetic. Yes, I'm
Mm.
very happy. Yes,
So,
that
so you're married for 12 years now. You're married for 12 years.
yes,
So
my
you
marriage
got
is
married in 2011.
11. Yes, yes.
Yeah, exactly. Even I got married in 2011.
Oh wow, Miss, you are not elder for me. Yes,
I don't know, like, maybe you got, how old were you when you got married?
yes, ma'am.
How
I'm
old were, what was
22
your
year
age?
old. I'm 22-year old. Yes,
Okay,
just
when I got
yes, ma'am.
married, I was 24 when I got married.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Both are equal, equal.
Almost equal, yes. But
Yes,
your children are already like teenagers, right? Already, like,
yes.
how come your son is elder already?
13 and 11.
Okay, but you got married like 13 years ago.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay. So
yes.
immediately, like in the
2010,
first year only, you had your
2010 my
son, right?
marriage, and then after 2011, my elder is born, and after my
Okay.
younger. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, right. Because you didn't have time to do anything for yourself, right? Like you got married and your son was born very
Yes,
quickly,
yes.
right? In the
Then
same
after,
year.
before marriage, I live in the city. So city's work is very normal. I can handle
Yes,
it. But
yes.
then after I join my village and join family. So yes,
Then how come you like transition from city to village life? Why didn't you get married to somebody who's in the city?
because it's arranged marriage and parents are decided to marry. So yes, it's our culture.
Oh,
So due to this.
yes, yes. Yeah, that it is important that you are happy about it. So it is
Yes.
okay.
But my husband is jobless in city. So anybody look, then after they tell that this voice is fantastic. So yeah,
Yes, yes. It is important to be good. It doesn't matter your city or your village.
yes, yes,
The person has to be good.
yes, ma'am, yes,
Mhm.
yes,
Okay, then shall we end the session? Do you have anything else to share, tell, or ask?
yes. You can ask me. You can ask me because I like that I give to answer to you.
Yes, yes. No, no, I was telling it's already 20 minutes. So shall we end the session now?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Lovely
Thank
talking to
you,
you.
ma'am.
You can continue your cooking now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Bye, bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.